Hey guys, welcome back. Last episode we ended off here and now we're gonna continue. Continue. Hey, you can't be like Crash away. You're just a little girl wearing a floaty. Oh, whatever, I can't do that. I was trying to switch Shockwave to be my first move in order. Yeah, that's my fear in this gym, but knowing water's super effective, that's why I'm using him on the trainers. Azurill is just normal type Pokemon, I'm pretty sure. That's why Shockwave isn't super effective. I could have used that earlier. Muriel, that's a water type, so this will be a bit easier. Well, there, that was actually a good critical hit. Now Shalom levels up to level 29. Guess we send Voltdog up. I don't know what I just did there, if I did anything at all. Oh yeah, I know what I'm doing. Jeez. We will probably be able to, oh yeah, this episode's gonna be a short one because I can battle Crasher Wakeleg in a few minutes. Are you ground yet? I forget. I don't know, it's fine. And all I need to do is get like one more, I'll just use Bite to finish him off. But also, thanks for the Rain Dance, it's gonna help me. If you guys don't know, Rain Dance helps electric moves, because it's whatever. And there we go. Just step on this one. Go over here, and there we are. Gonna heal. Okay, I think I'm ready. I'll end this episode pretty early because I don't know how long Crasher's fight will be. So yeah, I guess I will see you later.